Hello guys, so today we are going to learn about variadics in C++. This is one of the most amazing concepts which are found in C++. Uh, it gives you so much flexibility in C++ that if you write this in your code, means mostly advanced C++ developer uses it. Okay, basically it's not in C, it's in C++. And usage is quite simple, but it can get complicated because it uses recursion also. So let's get started to how to use variadics in C++. So first, I'm using a Eclipse. You can use whatever you want. You can use Vim, Visual Studio, whatever you want. Let me create a new file uh, and name this as, I'm just naming it as anything, variadics underscore cpp. I'm just using it like that. Dot cpp and hit enter. And as soon as you go there, it is saying something this, and we have to just like first code. Um, and in here we can simply use iStream. Uh, After that, maybe mm, um, using we can declare it or maybe not. It's a choice. Um, Using space std, and in here let's include uh, string also, um and after that, as soon as we have included our strings, then we can use it main. By the way, before studying about variadics, you should be familiar about type. Sorry, maybe including making your own templates. Okay, is really familiar about that. Okay, that how to make template in C++. Okay, if you're familiar about that, then only you will be able to understand that. Otherwise, maybe you can find some difficulties in understanding this one. Okay, so let's find our return statement. Return 0, and after that, let's define a function. Um, So to show you that how to use it and what and where we are using recursion. So just for example, I'm going to show you something. Let's create a template right here, and in that, um, let's type name should be t. That's okay, and let's get a function here. Um, Write some function under that. Let us pass that t, and inside that, maybe we can use something called count. Means it can accept any data. It's kind of generic, which we use quite count. And after that, we can maybe use this guy right here, um, and we can save something like t and handle. So this is it. This is our sum function. Inside that we can pass anything. Another one we can use template, and yeah, this is simple function and it can do the job. Let me show you that whether it is running or not. So let me use something called sum function. Under that I can pass my name, which is, and for just it, you can see right here it is printing, means it is working fine. So now let's introduce our Variadic. So first ever thing, why we are going to use this? We are going to use it because maybe we want to loop around the arguments. Let's say we are passing in this function something like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and we are expecting that whatever function, whatever number of digits we pass, it should add both all of them. Okay, so forget about that. Let's create a simple one which can just print each one of them. Okay, means whatever number I can give it, it's just going to print all of them. Okay, first let's do that. After that we can go further. So for that you have to create another template like this. Now here I'm going to introduce you all Variadics. Inside that we can use something like this, and type name should be T, first one, and another one should be type name. This is the sign of Variadic. Okay, and Variadic means it can accept any terms and any from any number of arguments. That's what, maybe you have studied Python, then maybe you know that what are arguments means args. So maybe you should know that. Sorry, not like that. Inside that we can use double dots and args. Maybe this is not a correct syntax. Sorry, you have to use it right here. Yeah, what happened? Syntax. Okay, maybe I'm missing out some syntax here. Uh, Maybe. Sorry. Here. Uh, oh no, now I get it. It should be something like this. Okay. Oh, I was passing two of them. Uh, my bad. So let's create some other function of the same name. Okay. So some function. Inside that we can pass both of them. First one is t, uh, its value, and then we can simply pass args. After that, whenever you're passing args or argument, it should be passed like this one, and after that we can paste your three dots, and after that we can simply use its value, whatever we are going to use, and just like that. After we can simply use this, and it is ready. After that, after we are done with that, we can simply use count to print that t, and end line to end that, and after that we have to you call that some function again, passing that args dot again. Okay, so what this will do, so let's run this, then I'm going to tell you that what is it going to do. um, Now you can see whatever I passed here, it just loops out and print all of them. What is happening? So first of all thing, what is happening here? Here args means something like what are the value you have passed. Here you have passed all those things. These are considered as arguments. Okay, so it is printing all those things. And some function again gives the argument whatever the remaining are there, and again it's going like that. Means it's looping like that. Okay, so whenever there is one item present, then it avoids running this one, and it runs this function. So we can call this function as exit exit function. Means exit logic is this one, we can consider that. So we can consider this function as exit logic, because as we know that the question should have some exit logic. So we can use that, and use this guys right here, and let's name it as exit. Sorry, not like that. Exit logic right here, and just hit a space right here. And if you save that, and if I run this one again, you can simply see what is going on here. You can see exit logic is last. 6 is printed by this one. Means it is going all the way to the towards the 5, and after that when it sees that only one item is present, and it goes back to this function and runs the program right there. Okay, so let's say you want to add that, so you can also do all of these things also here. Okay, so that's a little bit of other logics, but and that should be out of the scope of this video. So you can also do something like adding all the numbers into this or adding the numbers and all such things. You can also do that. So hope you like this video. Um, uh, if you like it, do it a like, and uh, if you're watching this on Instagram, do follow me there. I post regular content like this here there. In case if you're watching this on YouTube channel, do subscribe me, because that keeps me motivated and I post regular content like this. Okay, so thanks for watching this video.